So I just parked my car, got my bike ready. It's 60 degrees. Whew. I don't have my leg warmers with me today because I took them into the house so I could put the new elastic on them. But I guess that wasn't a smart idea. Anyway, I've got to climb to start my ride, so it should help warm me up a little bit. I do at least have my windbreaker and my buff and my long finger gloves.
Not the best, but I'm still strong. Just to keep going means I belong, and I'll keep trying, come what may. Again and again, I ride that way. I see others flying past like they've got wings instead of wheels, but my strength is quiet, steady. It's in the way this freedom feels. Every climb's a conversation between my will and what I can. I don't always win that battle, but I show up, that's who I am. Again and again, I find my way through the doubt and the uphill days. I may not fly, but I still rise, pedal by pedal beneath the sky. I'm not the best, but I'm still strong. Just to keep going means I belong, and I'll keep trying, come what may. Again and again, I ride that way. There's grace in the falling, hope in the climb, pride in the moments I almost quit but tried. Every mile's a whisper telling me true. You don't have to be better, just more of you. Again and again, I find my way through the doubt and the uphill days. I may not fly, but I still rise, pedal by pedal beneath the sky. I'm not the best, but I'm still strong. Just to keep going means I belong, and I'll keep shining, come what may. Again and again, I ride that way. Yeah, again and again, I ride that way. I chase the wind up every hill, but it always gets there first.
I'm having trouble breathing. Oh, I'm already warm and I'm just starting. I'm gonna get these two things off and then start up again. So I'm working on a hill still. Actually, I'll be working on this hill for almost 2 more miles. See the sheep up on the ridge? I just saw a horse, sheep herder on a horse, but it went behind some trees, so I don't know where it's at now. Wherever the sheep herder is, I can hear him whistling and screaming at the sheep, but I don't see him or the sheep. Must be on the other side of this hill. They're down here. The screams are coming from over here. Overnight I developed this cough and I can't seem to shake it. Every time I breathe, I have the inclination to cough. It just is like my throat is really irritated and the air passing through it just irritates it even more, and I don't know what's going on. I'm having a harder time breathing today than yesterday, but I'm still doing it. I'm still out here hoping it gets better as the week goes on. I had a really hard time sleeping last night with all the coughing I was doing.
Again and again, I find my way through the doubt and the uphill days. I may not fly, but I still rise, pedal by pedal beneath the sky. I'm not the best, but I'm still strong. Just to keep going means I belong, and I'll keep shining, come what may. Again and again, I ride that way. Yeah, again and again.
I see the sheep now. They are all the way over there. This is so pretty.
I find my way through the doubt and the uphill days. I may not fly, but I still rise. Pedal by pedal beneath the sky. I'm not the best, but I'm still strong. Just to keep going means I belong. And I'll keep trying come what may. Again and again, I ride that way. I see others flying past like they've got wings instead of wheels. But my strength is quite
still going up. Got a little under a mile of climbing now. There's a road out there. I want to go on that road someday. Gotta figure out what road it is first.
And again, I find my way through the doubt and the uphill days. I may not fly, but I still rise. Pedal by pedal beneath the sky. I'm not the best, but I'm still strong. Just to keep going.
The views give me something to stop and take pictures of and allow me to breathe again. I can't get rid of this cough. I can suppress it for a while and then it comes back with a vengeance. Oh, my throat's starting to hurt just from the coughing. And there's this horse just by itself.
Pedal by pedal beneath the sky. I'm not the best, but I'm still strong. Just to keep going means I belong. And I'll keep shining come what may. Again and again, I ride that way. Yeah, again and again, I ride that way.
So here's where I have to decide if I'm gonna continue on this road or go down to the road down to Mount Pleasant and finish off what I started but got rained out on. I don't know. Alright, so I decided to take the road down. Oh, I found the sheep. Well, that's cool. They're not very happy with me being here. Look at that. Gosh, it's so beautiful here. Just amazing. It's gonna be a rough climb up. Got a roadblock. Oh, it just disappeared over the edge. More sheep in the road. Sorry, guys. That was scary. I can see a bunch of sheep down there. So this is right about the spot where I stopped last time. I went back downhill. So I'm gonna turn around, go uphill, and see how far I actually was from the top. I think about a mile. So this road is pretty rutted and rocky, and I actually fell off the bike twice. I didn't fall on the ground. I managed to land on my feet both times, but this road's a little crazy. It's a little, it's a bouncy ride. So at least on the way up, it'll be slower so I won't fall off my bike again.
My legs are burning, lungs are tight. Still I push past all the hurt. I tell myself you should be more, but I'm here and that's a start. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying. That's the break.
My throat is making it hard to breathe. There was a car back there. They're going super slow. They were quite a bit lower than me, but not that much lower. It should have caught up to me by now. Oh. Look at that. There's actually streams running down the mountain even in September, which means they run all summer long. And this has been a very, very dry summer. So they're still running even in a drought. There's so much sheep poop all over the road. It's in my tires, but there's plenty of miles between me and the car, so it'll get cleaned off naturally. I found that car below me. Well, it says I'm 3/4 of a mile from the top with 300 feet left to climb, which doesn't sound terrible, but I'm starting to get side cramp. And my ear hurts and my throat hurts. So I'm just stopping for a minute. It was 9/10 of a mile and it took me half an hour. So that was the road down there. I'm hurting. My chest, my throat, my ear. I want to go, I want to continue, but man, I'm hurting. I don't know if I should. I just did the math. And it's 5 o'clock now. It took me about an hour to get here, so that'll be 6:30. Oh man. Took me an hour to bike here. So I need to turn around. Plus I'm just not doing well. Oh man. I'll get back to my car, but I'm suffering a bit here. Look at all those sheep. The horseback rider is with them this time. It is time to start moving them off the mountain down into the valley because it's getting too cold. Oh, I can see the dogs herding them. It's been about 45 minutes and this horse is still here. The sheep just went by. They're on the move. So I don't know if this horse is okay. I mean, it looks okay. It's standing up. I'm gonna go see if it's tied to the tree or something. It's not moving. Are you okay? Oh, you are tied up. Okay. They're coming back for it then. You doing all right? Hi. I just want to make sure you're okay. But you do look good. Alright, yeah. Pretty horse. Finally, some downhill. I'm about ready to be done with this ride. Next Saturday is supposed to be my birthday ride with my brother, but I asked him because he had some prior commitments, and he mentioned that he had something in the morning and something in the evening, so I asked him what time he actually had. So after giving me the time he was done in the morning and the time he needed to be back home, it ended up only being 4 hours, which is not enough for the ride I want to do. So he was pretty bummed. I'm bummed too, because it was going to be nice to have someone to ride with for a change. But with the way I'm feeling right now, I don't know if I'm going to do that ride next weekend, because I'll be out in the middle of nowhere for the entire ride with no way to get help. So kind of rethinking that. I'll see what I do, but I'm rethinking that at the moment.
I'm not the best, but I'm still strong. Just to keep going means I belong, and I'll keep trying come what may. Again and again, I ride that way. Every climb's a conversation between my will and what I can. I don't always win that battle, but I show up, that's who I am.
Made it to the top of the hill. Oh. I think I see my car. Well, I'm really hoping that I start to feel better this week, but considering I work in a place where I can't breathe and I have to wear a mask because someone refuses to stop wearing perfume that I'm allergic to, I don't think so. I'm actually surprised I've done as well as I have for the month that she's been working with me. I thought I'd get pneumonia after a couple of weeks, because that's usually what happens when I've got prolonged exposure to things that I can't handle. That's it. My ride's over. I'm at my car. I will see you next time. And until then, get outside and enjoy it. Even if you have to take it super slow,